Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to be sharing with you two major places I believe money hides. Okay, so if you've missed what money is, then you just have to click on the card somewhere up here, and then you just watch it. Okay, so you don't want to miss it. All right, if this is the first time visiting my channel, I say a big welcome to you. If you're already a subscriber, then welcome back. So I'm going to be sharing with you two major places I believe this paper currency height. Okay, so don't go anywhere, just stay with me. So welcome to Finance Friday. All right, and then we're going to be talking about the two places I believe money hides. There are about 8 of them we're going to be talking about, but we're going to say two as time progresses. So now the first place money hides is money hides in man. Okay, so every money you need, every money you are looking for is being held by a man. A man holds the money in which you are looking for. All you need to do is to build a connection between you and that man. So that's why I always hear this saying that anything money can buy, relationship can pay for it. There's somebody there that could just decide to buy you a car. Okay, so money hides in man. It's man that has the money. Every money you're looking for is being held by a man out there. Why do you think a native doctor requires human being or human sacrifice for people that wants to make money? Okay, they've always discovered that there's a relationship between man and money. Why do you think the universe operates with man? So if you remove mankind from the earth realm, you'll find out that you don't need money. Okay, because every resources, every money that you need upon this earth is being hidden in man. All you need to do is to build a relationship between you and the man. Invest so much in people, invest in man, and you find out that as time progresses, this is one of the best investments you get as long as they don't die. Okay, you're going to be getting. So money hides in man. Second place I'm going to tell you where money hides is money hides in problem. Okay, so your ability to solve problem will determine how much you're going to make. So people are going to give you money based on the level of problem you solve. So if you solve a big man's problem, you get a big reward. If you solve a small man's problem, you get a small reward. So these are the two major places for now. I'm going to be telling you where money hides. So you're going to see in the screen here what is money, the definition of money. So just click on it and then watch it, and you're going to find out what money is and where the height. Okay, so if this is the first time visiting my channel, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel, and also turn on the post notification. I'm going to be sharing with you more as time progresses on where money hides. Thank you so much for watching.